So the seeds we've got are runner bean, scarlet emperor, Swede, best of all, cucumber, crystal lemon, butternut squash, butternut Waltham, and sweetcorn glass gem. So I've got a few pots, I've got some ready-made compost mix, so I'm just going to sow these and bring you along. So first I'm going to do is the Swede. Just going to draw a little bit of Swede in the tray just to get a bit going. This can be direct sown. At the end of April, May. I'm just doing a few seeds in the tray to start her. Have a look at the seeds. And we're just going to sprinkle just a few seeds over the top. There we go. That's our Swedes. Just going to cover them over, sprinkling the compost, and there we go. Number one done, and that's our Swedes. So next we're going to do is the butternut squash. Using a pot for a butternut squash, just filling the pot. Take our seeds. So the Swede seeds cost £1.39, and this is butternut squash, and these cost £1.69 for 30 seeds. So I'm just going to plant 4. I'm just doing them on the side just so they don't rot if water sits on the edge. And there we go, 4 seeds. And then we're going to sprinkle, and that's done. Butternut squash. We're not forgetting a label. I've done these in different pots so I remember. So the next we're going to do is our cucumbers. And we've done a video of sowing cucumbers, but we're doing these crystal ones, filling our tray up, pressing it down, filling our tray up again, and then we make our dents, and we'll have a look at our seeds. So this is crystal lemon, 65 seeds. This costs £1.79. So I'm just putting 1 seed in each cell. 1 seed. That's it. Save the rest. Another sprinkle over the top. And that is our lemon cucumbers planted. So next we're going to use a big cell tray, and this one we're going to do our sweetcorn. And this sweetcorn is multicoloured, so that'd be quite interesting, having the sweet coloured. There we go, making our holes. And we'll have a look at the seeds. So this is Sweetcorn glass gem. So let's have a look. So we can see all these different colours. So it's really interesting when they grow. There was a video of me growing some in the previous year, and I'll add a link on the top. So I'm just putting one dried kernel in each of these. You can have a go at saving your own, drying your own sweet corn and growing your own. There we go. And these were $1.89 for 30 seeds. These were purchased through Amazon, and the Amazon link. And I'll add a link in the description. So that is the sweet corn planted. All those are going into the greenhouse. And then my last sowing is the runner beans. Nope. Yep, runner beans. They're also known as field beans. I'm doing a large pot for this one. We are direct sowing some of the beans, and we planted some out at the allotment, which is why our packet's open. These are our Scarlet Emperor, and they're going to put 2 seeds per cell, and then they just get planted out together in the same cell amongst the cane. So 2 in each. I'm planting these on the side just so any water doesn't sit on the top, but will just run down the side. And there we go. Again, we're just going to cover over all the beans, and there we go. So that is all of our seeds planted. So we have to wait for some germination, give these all the water, give them all a name, and we'll wait forward to seeing them grow. So have you ever grown any seeds from Premier Seeds? Let me know in the comments, and that'd be great. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, and we get notification when our seeds regrow. Cheers.